Hi folks, today we're going to start the process of sending this Buck 110, the roughest Buck 110 I've ever had. It's a 2-dot code date on it. That takes it to somewhere between 1974 and 1980. This blade is 440 stainless steel rather than the 420 that they use now. But if you can hear this, this knife has wobble in the blade, real unusual for 110. It is beat. Somebody has sharpened it with, I don't know what, maybe a wheel. One of the worst looking Buck 110s I've ever had. What we're going to do is take advantage of the warranty that Buck has and knife repair. What we have here is the knife repair form, and one of the services that's offered is $10 to reblade a folding knife. That would be a Buck 110 or Buck 112. For $10 I'll put a 420 high carbon stainless steel blade on this. So you can download this from the Buck website under warranty work. They also offer the spa treatment, which here I sent off 3 knives last year. They came back great. I mean, they were beautiful. They ran back from somewhere from 1974 up to about 1999. I kept 2 of them. I sold 1 of them. But this one, this is ugly as a spud. Somebody has hit this with a grinding wheel. It's differentially, it's got differential depths here. It's just been horribly done, and this blade is, I couldn't cut anything with it. I tried cutting a piece of paper. Now, it has Madagascar ebony here on the scales. It's a heavier knife than my other 2-dot. This one weighs 7.7 ounces. My other 2-dot from somewhere between 74 and 80 weighs 7.1 ounces. Anyway, I'm boxing this up today. I'm taking it to the post office. I'm going to mail it off. Buck's website now claims that they've got about a 3 to 4 week turnaround on reblading a knife, so we're going to give it a see. Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. We're so glad you could attend. Come inside, come inside. The flowers are here. It is February 14th, that's Valentine's Day, and I sent off a Buck knife that Buck received on December 19th, just about 2 months ago. Once it got out there, they said it would take about 2 weeks. The knife got lost at Buck for about a week, and they found it. But here it is. And I haven't opened it yet. Super excited. This is a 110 with a new blade. Welcome back, folks. Here we go. I really don't want to cut this up anymore than I have to, but and of course it's pilfer-proof tape, so they taped it up so that nobody'd steal it on the trip. Here we go, packing label. This says repair. A 110 without sheath, broken, worn blade, and spa treatment. $10. And that is a deal. Get a brand new blade put on a knife. The old knife, well, the knife with the old blade went out of here at 7.7 ounces. It was pretty heavy for a 110. This is how the 110s arrived last year, so ready for the reveal. Okay, paper, now foam, and oh man, here we are. That knife, the pins, they don't wear them down when they buff this, they just buff it. So the pins are still sticking out like they are on older knives. This was a early 70s, late 60s knife, I believe. It was a 2-dot. And as I was told by one of the folks who watches this channel, if you can see this, Focus here. Okay, this is the new blade symbol for 2025. It's sort of a, looks like a Z almost. Focused in here. Come on, there we go. But that blade is beautiful. The, the polishing on the brass, beautiful. They replaced this spring. The thing is solid as a rock now. That was all wobbly before. That is a looker. So the year symbol looks sort of like a Z that is just a lazy Z laying partway on its side. Boy, that's nice. Buck, one of the best warranties in the United States, and fantastic job. $10. That they shipped it back for that. They did all the work. They put the new blade on. Beautiful knife. I am as happy with this as I would be with a brand new knife, but I know this one has a little bit more history to it. It's a little bit older. Oh yeah, I wanted to weigh it for you. Well, strangely, it's reading 7.1 ounces. I might have gotten a weird reading on that last blade, but 7.1 ounces with the new blade. Thanks a lot, folks, for tuning in, and we will see you next time.